predicting your KPIs. I think what do you mean by KPIs? So, for example, in this tool, you can help company understand what will be their sales next year, which is the most profitable product, which is the most profitable reason. And there is not a single company on this planet Earth which does not want to know their KPIs, which does not want to forecast or predict their KPIs, because that is what makes your company grow. That is how you make proactive decisions. That is how you make proactive strategies. All of that can be happen with the help of mastering business intelligence and data visualization with the help of with the help of Tableau. And once you do that, at this point, you're like almost sorted. Just 5 to 10% is left. Hardik, what is that? The skill of talking to data. It's a very important skill, and that can be sorted with your data management skill with the help of SQL. This is the last missing part of the puzzle. If you combine all of them, you get a insane solution. This solution is created by me, guys, and it is 100% guaranteed solution for anyone who's a working professional or a student who want to make it big. And this is where I present a certified, Microsoft certified ChatGPT, AI, prompt engineering, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and SQL. A course which does not even require any prior knowledge, any kind of diploma, degree, nothing is required. You just need the will to learn the things, and I will help you with that, because in this you're not just going to master and get certified by Microsoft your present skills like Excel and PowerPoint, but we are going to prepare ourselves for the AI and data driven future with the amazing rest of the 5 skills. And that is what makes you true data hero of your company. But I know, again, the 95% people here, what they have the problem. Hardik, learning a skill is not a problem. The technology access is a problem. I don't have latest tech. So here is what I'm doing for you. Along with the skills, I'm going to help all the people with premium ChatGPT subscription account on your ID password for the next 2 years. Do you know what's the cost of per month account? It's 1600 rupees. I'm going to give you for 2 years for absolutely free, saving you 40,000 rupees. The next thing which I'm going to give you will blow your mind. AI enabled MS Office, just like me. I'm going to give everyone AI enabled MS Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, everything AI enabled for 5 years. Do you know what's the cost for every single year that I'm paying? 7,000 rupees. Giving you for 5 years for absolutely free, worth 35,000 rupees. And the third thing, which is the craziest thing you will ever have in your life, my own tool, Superchat Excel. But Hardik, for how many years? 2 years, 5 years? For rest of your life. I just wish all the success to you. I just want you to achieve all the things that you desire in your life. And this is my genuine attempt to help you. Lifetime access to Supercharge Excel. So you don't have to do late sittings. You don't have to do that hard work in Excel ever again in your entire life. And then, guys, after your softwares are sorted, after your skills are sorted, I'm going to help you get a salary hike anywhere between 60K to 1.3 lakh additional to your current salary. And this is the track record. I've helped 482 students in past 3 months. This is a proven track record of people getting salary hikes and achievements with this masterclass. And if you're someone who's like, Hardik, I'm not looking for a salary hike, I'm looking for a job itself. I don't have a job, I'm a jobless. I'm a student, I'm looking for a high income job. If you're from that category, I'm going to help you with 100% in house guaranteed job assistance, which will help you to get a job worth 15 lakh per annum to 24 lakh per annum. And that is where you are not the first person who's going to get salary hikes. You are not the first person who's going to get high income job offers. You are not the first person who's going to impress your bosses and colleagues and become the star of your office. There are almost more than 2,000 people who have done that. See this people who is a operation guy, chartered accountant, marketing people, project manager, program manager, and they are so happy because this masterclass has literally changed their life. They have come out from their comfort zone and they've recorded a video for me to tell me, to show the other people like you are looking for right guidance and right direction, to show them that you can join this masterclass and transform your life just like these people. See this new job offer, finance This is a new job offer and promotion. HR, marketing people. There are people who are just increase their productivity. People have come from non-IT. BPO people are becoming data analyst. Sales marketing profession becoming data analyst with this masterclass. There are sales manager who increase their salary, keeping in sales, staying in sales profile only, just learning AI, all the things in the right way. And you know why this is happening? Because our masterclass is is prioritizing the skill. The number one skill is prompt engineering. Here is a live screenshot in front of you. Hottest job of 2023. Do you know salary per annum? 2 crores, 3 crores per annum. But not in India. It's in USA. In USD dollars converted in Indian rupees. But if you're an experienced working professional, you know whatever happens in USA job markets eventually replicates in Indian job markets. And in India, already Indian prompt engineers as a fresher are able to secure job offers worth 15 to 17 lakh per annum. But the best part here is this skill is so awesome that as a sales, marketing, HR, any profession, you can incorporate it in your life to make big in your life. And this is where will be our first priority, number one skill, number one module in the entire masterclass, making you ready as a prompt engineer. Then second skill is where we understand about generative AI tools. Because the understanding of generative AI technology is very important, so you don't have any fear of plagiarism, copyrights, blah blah blah, all of those things. Mastering generative AI intelligence tools will help you create audios, videos, motion graphics, and whatnot, PPTs, all of that at just one click. And then this is a altogether different side of AI world, generative AI. But the most important for working professionals, automation using AI. This is a separate part of the AI world which we are going to cover in module number 3, which will help you to see this. 4 AI tools to help you with type management. 5 AI tools to increase your productivity irrespective of your job roles and job profiles. Then 3 AI tools to save you time and money using AI technologies. 5 AI tools for analyzing your reports. 3 AI tools to help you get a better job. 4 AI tools to automating your report work. But Hardik, so many AI tools. Along with this masterclass, do I need to separately pay for AI tools? No. As I said, software tools, technologies are on me. The only thing you need to maintain is discipline, consistency in this masterclass to change your life forever. In the fourth module, we are going to see how we can unlock our 10x version of ourselves. If you aspire to become like me, this is the right module for you. In this, you are going to get all my secrets, all my secret tools, which makes me top 1% and super efficient using AI. And the best part, since it's on me, this is a module which gets update every single week for the rest of your life, because I'm someone who is curious to know about AI world, and I learn something new in the AI world every single week. And that is where your mentor, me, I'm going to handhold you to get on this journey along with me. And this has so many aspects. For example, this fourth module will have aspect of job hiring, job hunting. First thing will be automate your job apply things. So your rush, like searching job in itself is a job, right? We are going to get ahead of that, and we are going to focus on other things which are most important in our life. Then we are going to see how to learn and use coding to become an IT professional or to grow in your career without any having any coding knowledge. Then we are going to see how to build a side income, how to build our side hustle without any moonlighting issues, without leaving your job, without like doing two jobs at a time, purely working on your side hustle on weekends using AI technologies, making some sort of side income. Why it's important, why we have added this in the curriculum? 96% professional, you can ask yourself, 96 professionals are dependent only single source of income. What is that? Their salary. That's the reason they are having that fear of layoff, all of that. But once you have certain set of backup, you will have that peace of mind. You will have some sense of security in your life. And I'm going to help you with that as well. So you do not have to worry. You will get my 100% time and attention on you, because it's a limited cohort batch, not for everyone. Then we are going to get certified with lifetime access and updates to the entire masterclass. Then we are going to start our journey in the world of Excel. And the best part here is you can start your journey in Excel as well if you are looking to learn Excel first. It's a very flexible masterclass for anyone who wants to upskill themselves. Then Excel Essential course sorted, interface known, installation done. Your fifth module is complete. Sixth module, learning basic to advanced, 60 plus advanced Excel formulas using AI without memorizing them, without mugging them. A different way to learn things. And then moving to module number 7, my personal second personal favorite module of the Excel, to make this kind of Excel reports. If your Excel reports does not look like visually appealing and interactive, you need to relearn certain data visuals which can be created using AI, like funnel chart, slope chart, all of that, to make your reports visually appealing. And then we are going to move to other aspect or other part of the Excel, which is apart from data visualization, called as data analysis module number 8, using Excel and pivot tables, making this kind of proper data analysis reports in Excel, because this is covered by 4 mega capstone projects, which you can add it to your resume, which you can show to your recruiters. This is the data I've worked on. This is my personal project. This is my portfolio, and which will make your resume go up by 10x compared to the competitors and our colleagues out there. And then ninth module will be completely helping you get started with Office 365, the mastery program. See this. Microsoft account 6,200 exclusive of GST for a year. 7,200 will be the price inclusive of GST. But you are getting for how many rupees? Zero. Free of cost for how many years? 5 years. So just imagine the amount of money you are going to save with this single bonus. And then coming to the most favorite module, my personal favorite of this Excel course, is turning your 4 to 5 hours of work in just 15 minutes, completely guaranteed. I do not have to give you a guarantee here. You have seen for yourself how Excel automations can take you from this level to that level in Excel without any prior coding knowledge. You no need to learn this complex codings. No need to sit and scratch your heads on VBN macros. Everything will be done by AI. You just need to write good English language prompts to AI that will be taught by me. So that's again not a problem, and your job is done. And you have ample amount of free time using Excel. And not just that, guys, you're going to get a proper Microsoft badge, Microsoft certification on your own name. And guys, then we'll move our journey to Microsoft Power BI, the buddy of Excel. You know, in one line, if I have to explain Power BI someone, it's just your Excel on steroids. The things which Excel cannot do, Power BI do it very easily. And that is where we are going to learn Power BI. Again, I know many people might be afraid that, Hardik, I'm from non-technical background. Hardik, I'm from sales, HR, marketing. Can I use it in my job? Trust me, you will be a person who will have that separate sets of skill set compared to your colleagues, and that will help you to grow in your career exponentially. So no tech background, no experience required to learn Power BI. Installation will be done by me, softwares are on me. You do not have to worry about a single thing. And 12th learning is where we master advanced Power BI by mastering dashboards, AI powered. Plus, we are going to master all about DAX, data analytics expressions. It might sound very fancy or jargon, but it's the most important thing in Power BI to get you job as a Power BI developer, or you want to learn or use Power BI in your daily job. DAX are very important, which are called as data analytics expression. And if you're just thinking that, Hardik, is this all like we have to do it on our own, like we is it is just recorded videos, all of that? No, these are capstone projects which I will be doing with you, and I will be helping you. You are going to get recordings of it. You can watch it as per your convenience. Just see this to the entire world, which is on LinkedIn, all the recruiters, you can show your capstone projects. And that is what I'm keep saying. All capstone projects to showcase in your resume, to build your portfolio, will be done along with this course. And that is where we move to learning number 13, which is on Tableau. Again, no tech background required, installation of Tableau required. If you are not aware of Tableau, if you're not aware of interface, if you do not even have Tableau in your laptop, desktop, MacBook, we're going to help you install that as well. And learning number 14 is where we learn to make robust AI powered dashboards using advanced Tableau. And that is where we learn also the art or the skill of learning and like forecasting and predicting your key important factors using Tableau. And the best part here is Tableau and Power BI combined covers all sort of all job profiles, all job departments, dashboards, starting from HR, marketing, sales, MIS, CRM, finance, accounting, management. All sort of dashboards are covered in this course. And not just that, you're going to get a certification on your name on basic to advanced Tableau as well. Now, if you're done with data analysis, if you're done with data visualization, you know the AI skills. Now it's the time to present it to the entire world. And that can be done with the help of PowerPoint presentations. Skill number 16 in just one masterclass, learning number 16. Getting started with PowerPoint basics, intermediate, making stunning presentations, understanding them, and in the 16th module, bringing that to life, right? With the help of advanced animations and transitions in Microsoft PowerPoint. And then learning number 17, which is all about making AI made PPTs, because again, this aspect of life cannot be ignored going forward in your life, right? You cannot ignore AI, you cannot postpone it, you cannot procrastinate it, because it's going to become important part of everyone's life. In this, all the top-notch softwares, right? Gamma.app, Tom.app, Dectobus.ai, Slides.ai, SlideGPT, all those amazing tools which are free of cost are covered to make you 10x more better PPTs in 10x less time. And sorry for that, then you're going to get certified basic to advanced PowerPoint along with Microsoft certification. And last skill, 18th and 18th B module, is where you become SQL structure query language expert as well. And if you're thinking, Hatik, all SQL cover, SQL itself has 17 modules, 4 basic and 17 advanced, 21 modules covering everything about SQL, MySQL, PSQL, basics, advanced, everything to get you a job of SQL developer as well. At that extent, you are going to get projects. You are going to learn about SQL right from basics to advanced. You do not have to worry about that. You get 18 amazing learnings in just one single masterclass. Can you imagine all of that? And via whom? Via me. But Hardik, the problem here is the masterclass is very exciting. The masterclass looks good for me. But Hardik, the part here is I cannot come every Sunday evening, right? I can understand that. And the best part is this 18 learnings, you are going to get instant access, self-paced video modules. So you can watch as per your convenience. Let's say you want to start from tomorrow morning, you can. You can start from going, let's say you're traveling to your office, coming back to your office, you have time during your lunch breaks, dinner breaks. You can watch as per your convenience. But are they like how much time do I get to complete the entire modules? 30 days, 60 days, 90 days? No. This is specifically designed for busy working professionals and busy students. I don't want to put additional burden and timeline or deadline on you. You are going to get lifetime access and updates to all the recorded modules, which will be updated on a every monthly basis with new content. So you get latest information. Plus, Hardik, what if I'm learning Tableau? Hardik, what if I'm learning Power BI? What if I'm learning the skill of prompt engineering, the most important skill? And what if, Hardik, I have any doubts? We are going to get connected. This is a long term relationship, guys. I don't believe in short term visions. This is a long term vision for my community every single week. Keep this in mind. Every single week for the rest of your life, we are going to get connected via AI learning sessions. Every single week, we will have a ritual that we are going to learn something new. We are going to interact with each other. I'm going to help you with your job. If you're stuck somewhere in your job, you're not getting any solution, you're frustrated, you can always reach out to me, your mentor, Hardik Raja. I will be available to you every single week, every time. Plus, on this journey, we are not like alone. Let's say you are someone who's going to miss out on the learning due to some job related work, some personal commitment. I will make sure that you get the recordings. So as per your convenience, you can go through live sessions as well. And the best part here is you're someone who's doing your 100% effort in your life. You're seeing that you're growing, but at the same time, you're seeing your brother. You're seeing your hardworking father. You're seeing your hardworking mother or your wife, your husband. They are trying to make something out of their life, but due to some circumstances, they are not able to do so. And here I give you that opportunity in your hand to change their life. The entire thing which I said will be not just available to you, but to your entire family members. And they will have their separate ID password, and they will have their separate certification. See this. This is Chirag Mistry, my community member, my inner circle member. Shlok Mistry, who is the son of Chirag Mistry, is also learning ChatGPT and AI tools from me, getting certification on his name. And this person is getting certification on his name. And you know what? He has got salary hike and he has now started his side hustle with me. Now see this. He is now a freelancer who is also a network engineer and a Power BI expert. He has left a job with this masterclass. Can you just imagine? This is the results people are getting from this masterclass. And now he has told his son to attend every single live session via me to grow in life exponentially. And see this, guys. I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude to Hardik sir. He is now my student. And the best part is, Shlok Mestri, your family members, your 8 family members are added. Your son and daughter are also allowed. If you want me to guide them, if you want your son or daughter to learn from me, so they can also become a person like me who's an expert in all those fields in their corporate careers. So they are also welcome. Plus, guys, all of them will have call support. Yes, call support as per your convenience. You get the best of the best support in call. You can get support from us on your WhatsApp number as well. And the best part, if you're a professional, you want to get support on email, that is also available. So all three supports are available. Plus, all your 8 members and you will have the same amount of learnings. There is no differentiation between your account access and your family members' account access. Everyone will have 110 hours ka learning each, which you get lifetime to complete. You can complete as per your convenience, and plus I will be there to take your accountability. Plus all of us as a family are going to get certified by Skill Nation, by me, and by Microsoft, and by me who's a Microsoft certified expert, and by Microsoft. But this offer and this all things are not available for everyone. Plus 6 amazing bonuses which are just for first 30 participants. Now, guys, first thing is premium chat GPT plus version, which I've already shown you, saving you 40,000 rupees. If you think how are they, do the max. $20 per month, 24 months. $480 simple max. Convert it into Indian rupees, multiply by 80 or 82, whatever the conversion rate is, somewhere around 39,000. First bonus saving you hard cash right now in this moment, 39,000 in your pocket. Second bonus saving you 35,000. Again, simple max, 7,000 every year to Microsoft. You are not going to pay it for the next 5 years. Prepaid account you are getting for 5 years. Offline, online, all it AI functions instantly without other people getting it. They are still using 95%. You already knew it. Still using outdated Office, and you are killing it with new Office. This is Office 365 subscription. Third bonus, my own Supercharge Excel tool for lifetime. And guys, that Supercharge is not just in Excel, there is Supercharge PowerPoint as well, which looks like this, which will again make you go crazy. But Adik, how do I learn that? You're going to get dedicated video modules on the softwares, how to use them in your job, and how to create Excel reports, how to use AI for your formulas, how to automate your PPTs, how to design your PPTs, how to unlock secret formulas in Excel. Every single thing you'll be getting in a pre-recorded format, which you can watch it as per your convenience and try it on your own. And if you face any issues, I'm there for you to solve your doubts. Then you're going to get fourth bonus, fifth bonus, and sixth bonus are not available on the entire internet except me. Fourth bonus, I'm going to give you private access to Skill Nation's top community where you can grow and network in data analytics and data science, artificial intelligence, IT, non IT, business analysis, data analysis, finance, shock trading, product, project management, management of top MNCs, HR and recruiters, digital marketing. And in this, you are going to get peer support, plus you are going to get peer referrals, which is 100% guaranteed to get your job. And see this again here. Job offers by Praveen, who's a community member, 1.2 lakh to 1.5 lakh per month, a high paying job. Then there is Mohammed, who has shared consultant of Deloitte. This is something which you won't even find it on LinkedIn, but you're getting referrals from the community. So it's 100% surety that you're going to get a job. Then you're going to get to build your personal brand training from me, who have been there and done that, and get multiple job offers as a Microsoft certified expert, because I'm going to help you get Microsoft certification as well. See this, my Instagram growth, 22K followers 5 months back. Then there is 5K followers 2 months back on LinkedIn. And you know what's the status right now? The status right now here is 66K followers. 66K followers to build a personal brand on Instagram, and 12K followers on LinkedIn. Hardik, how is that even possible? With the help of AI. I've automated my social media personal branding via AI tools, and I will teach you this completely live. If you miss on that, I will be sharing the recordings for the same. And last but not the least, since I'm telling you, if you become part of my inner circle community, To change your life, it's my responsibility. And this is my first step towards that. I'm going to help you build a second source of income. I'm not going to like let you depend on your salary. That's not going to happen. I'm going to help you build a second side hustle, monetizing your knowledge, monetizing your job skills, monetizing the skills which you're going to learn in this masterclass while staying at your job without quitting it, and without showing your face to the camera, because I know there might be issues of moonlighting or something. And this is a training worth 40,000 given to you for absolutely free of cost. And there are people who have done that. See, the Sanjay Reddy made 45 lakhs. There is Ashutosh made 4 lakhs in 1 month. There is Pawan Kumar made 26 lakh rupees in 14 months. And if you think these are screenshots, let me show you something which is live. See this. I'm going to open, let's say, where is my browser? I am not able to find my browser. See this. I think this is my browser. I'm going to open my browser in front of you. This is my Razorpay dashboard. This is my home tab. Browser, live, no screenshot. 30 days, 16 CR. And if I do in last 90 days, it is going to go up to 42 CR, 30 lakhs. And this is not just to, like, this is purely just to help you that I can help you with other aspects also. It's not just about upskilling and masterclass. I can be your mentor in other aspects of your life at the same cost in the masterclass. And this is something which is possible. I want to show you that if you don't know certain things, it does not mean it does not exist. There are something which are things going in the market which you are not aware of, but I can help you to do that. And that's something which you are going to get as a bonus without charging a single rupee extra to share my insights to make money with you. And guys, if you check the testimonials, Priyanka Shah, Nimit Kher, Vikas Sharma, Shraddha Patel, and can you see this amazing offers? Let's say got salary hike 140%. Job offers 25 lakh per annum from the community itself, which I showed you earlier. Got promoted to vice president of our company. Switched his career, and this is a very interesting story by Vikas. This person came from marketing background, wanted to, he was having that, Hardik, I've chosen the wrong career, I've taken the wrong decision, and my age is also 30. How can I make a career shift at the age of 30? All of that, blah blah blah. He signed up for this masterclass, and now he makes 15 lakh per annum as a data analyst with 2 years of experience, moving from marketing domain to data domain with this masterclass. And see this. I'm glad I stumbled upon this one. This person has changed his entire life. See this. Hardik is a fantastic instructor. This person like engaging and informative, blown away by the amount of knowledge. So many people having crazy amount of testimonials. And not just that, guys, as I showed you, there are people out there coming as giving their video testimonials as well. Now, if you're wondering, Hardik, I want to join this masterclass. I want to join your inner circle community, but Hardik, I'm waiting for the price. Please tell me it's very affordable. I know, guys, and I'm helping working professionals from last 4 years. I'm not going to charge you 1,37,500 just like other big ed tech platforms. I'm going to give you one offer since you are live on this call. You're already part of Skill Nation family. I'm going to give you one offer for a limited time at a very affordable and budget friendly price for any working professional or student is just rupees 12,200, one single payment for rest of your life. Can you imagine? Softwares में मिल जाएगा हार्दिक? Yes. Softwares, skills, bonuses, all three components at just rupees 12,200 plus GST. I'm going to share the link in the Zoom chat to make the payment, so you can make the payment as soon as possible for the first 30 participants. I'm going to share the link. Where is the link? Now, guys, here is the interesting part. Here is the interesting part. I know some of you are going to tell me, Hardik, I have some financial issues. Can you please give me some discount? Let me help you with that as well. I'm giving you a second link. The first link is 12,200 plus GST. Second link is two no cost installment. Yes, you heard it right. Pay half the fees plus GST. Get access to the entire masterclass. I understand that you are someone, it's a month end, you might be having some financial crunches. Pay the second installment in next month without paying any hidden charges, without paying any interest fees. No, nothing like that. Just a pure intention to help you grow in your life. This is the best I can do. You have both the links in the Zoom chat. The links has been shared in the WhatsApp group that you're a part of. This is for every first 30 people who are going to sign up for this masterclass. And if you're still thinking that this masterclass is for you, let me show you that this masterclass is definitely for you, because This is going to help you. I'm just going to share the QR code as well because some people are saying they cannot click on the link. Here is the QR codes as well. You can scan the QR codes, you will be redirected to the link and you can make the payment. Now I want to see how many people are going to join the clan. I want to know see how many people are joining with me for the rest of their life. They want to have a long-term relationship with me as a mentor. Let me know in the chat box. Nikhil, Sumit, Sushmi, Venkata, Drisud, Riddhit will join. That's great. Perfect. Chalo, that's great. There is GST extra. Yeah, GST goes to the government. You will get the GST invoice. You can claim back your GST amount. It's too cheap. Thank you so much. I will take it as a compliment. Perfect. Chalo, that's great. 12,200 for total. Yes. Guys, I'm repeating the entire thing. I'm just closing the Zoom chat. Can I use credit card for payment? Kriti, yes. You can make the full payment via credit card and you can pay like have that 6 month no cost installment option as well. I'm telling in a very simple language, guys. One masterclass which has all high income skills, lifetime access. My personal mentorship with lifetime learning sessions. Plus your family members, different ID password, different credentials, different certification. Plus six amazing bonuses. And last but not the least, this is the best discount you will get for the next or first 30 participants. You can see on your screen. Now, Hardik, I want to go for it. How do I go for it? I've shared the link. I'm sharing the link in the Zoom chat. Some people are telling it's not clickable. It's just because of your Zoom version. You're not using the latest version of Zoom. So, what you can do is you can take out your mobile phone and you can scan whatever way you want to make the payment. First is for full payment, second one is for the EMI option. You can scan whatever option you like as per your convenience, as per your situation. You can make the payment and you're good to go. But this offer is only valid for today. 12,200 plus GST or half the amount in two payments. I would suggest anyone who has some sort of issues with financial, go with EMI option. Don't worry, I will help you the same way. There is no differentiation between a full payment guy or EMI guy. Everyone receive the same thing which is committed on your screen. Let me know in the Zoom chat if you have any questions about the masterclass. Adi, can I get GST invoice? Yes, GST invoice will be provided. As I told you guys, family member has access, different access. You don't have to share your access with family. Someone is writing, hey, chalo. How can I scan QR? You can pick out your mobile phone, GPay open करके you can scan. ठीक है? What is the course duration, lifetime access? The duration amount of hours are 110. ठीक है? Priyanka, this is a different masterclass. If you want to associate with me, you can go for it. ठीक है? Only family with friends can be shared. I'm doing this for your family. I hope you understand that. Chalo, perfect. Chalo, that's great. Okay. I might be 31st member to register. Do I get the same member? No, the Gita, the way it works, 30 ke upar, their payment won't be active. The link won't be active. The link is active, then you can make the payment. Chalo, Lakshya Agarwal, yes. Chalo, how I be able to learn Nikhil Thapa as per your convenience with my guidance? Okay. I can get multiple requests from the people. I'm just closing the Zoom chat. Anyone who's asking that, Hardik, can you include Python and business analysis? I want to see many people are telling me to do that. I think that's the requirement that many people have before going for the masterclass. So just confirming with the entire batch of this workshop, do you want me to add basic to advanced Python language and plus basic to advanced business analysis? One is for IT people, one is for non-IT people. Is that a request from everyone or just two or three people asking? Is the GST excluding? Yes. Uh, oh my God. There are so many people telling me to do that. Okay, guys. Let me think. Just a second. It's necessary, I think. Yes, sir. Please add. My co-founders are going to kill me for this, but guys, here we go. I'm going to open my learning dashboard in front of you. Here is the learning dashboard, which everyone get instant access to once you make the payment within 60 minutes. Just guys, because everyone is requested, my co-founders are going to kill me for this, but I'm doing for you guys. I'm adding a basic to advanced Python course we have at Skill Nation, and everyone needs it. So I'm going to add that. and business analysis. All of them, both basic to advanced. And by the way, if someone is telling Hardik it's too good to be true, see this. All the courses are with me: AI, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, Excel, PowerPoint. Then you have Tableau, SQL, Python, and business analysis added. And guys, since it's a special request from everyone, I'm keeping the price same. So I'm adding my commitment in the Zoom chat. Python and BA, which is business analysis, added in the same package. It might not be mentioned, but I'm telling you, since it's a special request during the workshop, I'm adding both of them just because your own good, guys. I wish you all the success. Whatever you required in your entire life, you can always ask me as a mentor. I will be there to guide you. I will be there to help you to grow in your career. And but are all the people happy now? Are you happy to see all the courses are with me that I'm going to share it with you? Is that a yes? Join. That's great. Yes, yes. Perfect. Paid. Yes. More than happy. That's great. I just paid. That's great. Perfect. Yes. Paid. Perfect. We have got so many things. I think I've taken Jatan sir course. Should I take yours? Yes, definitely. Perfect. Chalo. Allow me to pay amount. You can pay. Chalo. That's great. My GPay is not linking to payment option. I'm from same background. Will it work for me? Definitely. This course is going to change my life for sure. Definitely. Will this course be recorded? Pallavi, yes. Tomorrow I can pay. Sorry, Krishma and Sriram. If you're waiting for tomorrow, the seats might be going on. I cannot commit you. I'm a digital marketer. Should I go? Power Automate included? Yes, I teach Power Automate as well. If you want me to do that, I will do that. Okay? Payment is declining. Okay, chalo. Can you please show the QR code? I'm going to close the Zoom chat. And guys, I'm going to show you the QR code again. See this. Here is the QR code again, guys. Now, guys, there are 4 surprises. There are 4 surprises which I haven't planned, which I haven't shown you before showing you the price. And all the people who have said paid, just like Shriya and other Priya, and many people are there who have paid. Almost like 15 people have done the registration. Now, guys, I'm giving one surprise bonus, revealing 4 surprises at a time. First surprise, everyone, all 30 people were going for that. And some of you might be thinking already, Hardik, it has all the things, but it does not have anything regarding soft skill. I'm adding a soft skill bundle, which includes interview, resume, LinkedIn, and corporate communication masterclass. Just to show you on website, see this. This 4 amazing skills, which is your LinkedIn, interview, corporate communication, and LinkedIn resume, are different bundle together in the same package at a same price worth 15,000 for free. And the best part, you know what? Interview are covered from top companies like Wipro, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and TCS. And the interviews job offers are more than 20 lakh per annum. A decent package to have. Are you going to claim that? Let me know in the Zoom chat. I'm going to add this. Is Supercharge Excel available? Yes. Can we add Tableau workbook using AI? If yes, please provide the name of AI. I'm going to help you with that. Mohit Mittal, wait for it. Yes? Urvashi has paid. Malaika has paid. That's great. Excuse me, sir. Yes. I'm a doctor. Will I? Doctor Jyoti, you have seen testimonials of so many doctors. Family members में cousin चलेगा, Priya चलेगा. Okay, that's great. Paid. Can we get Supercharge Excel separately? Ravi Upadhyay? No. It's part of the program. It's part of the package. It's my own tool. It's not available for sale on internet. Is Android phone enough to access the classes? Saija, yes. I'm a law student. Will it help me? Gayatri, definitely. Is it good for digital marketing people? Yes, guys, you need to make data-driven decisions. Performance marketing is all about data-driven decisions. Power BI, Tableau, and Excel is going to change your life forever. Am I HR profession? Will it help me? Guys, I'm going to show you something which will blow your mind. See this, guys. This is my personal Hall of Fame list. And in this Hall of Fame list, see this. 61-year-old professor. Production and operation manager got 40% salary. These are video testimonials. This is marketing people. Chartered accountant, automated boring task using macro. Chartered accountant, non-IT background. This particular people all are coming from non-IT field, HR, sales, marketing. See this, HR excellence. This is HR executive. There are people from finance. This is HR journalist. HR, he boosted his confidence and got unexpected recognition at his company. This is a PhD holder. There are teachers. This particular person is medical faculty. Then there are doctors in the community. There are all those people just like you guys. See this, Dr. Rajesh Patel, a consultant physician. This is from Thane only, Mumbai only. This person has joined this masterclass. Sales manager Vishal is there. There are so many people like that who have already been there. This is corporate executive. There are dean faculty. There are CA CMA folks, project manager. Again, this is medical. Can you see this? Telecom person working in BPO is also joined this masterclass. Real estate professionals have joined. People who are working in multinational banking companies are also part of this masterclass. And guys, I can go on and on. There are all people who have got this kind of achievements. More than 400 people have got such kind of achievements using this masterclass. And you're going to get it because you get this kind of packages. You get this kind of packages as a budget friendly price at affordable rates. And I've shared the link in the WhatsApp group that you're a part of. You have scanners to make the payment. I've shared the link in the WhatsApp group as well. Now, guys, I'm going to reveal the prize number two, second surprise, which is going to help you achieve unexpected results in your life. Excel automation and Power BI templates, what 26,000 given for free for lifetime. And you know what? This will change your life. See this. Just like Zoom chat, which you guys are sending me chat. This is a Zoom chat screenshot. Yes, I monetize the learning in Power BI dashboard as a consultant. Then there is person who got promoted as team leader because he have shared an Excel automation done for your templates to the entire company. Then there is person who's getting new job offers too because of this masterclass. And all of this at just rupees 12,200 at a no cost installment. I'm telling you guys, if you're a fresher student, go with the second link. Just pay the first EMI, come to the masterclass, enjoy the learnings with me. We're going to officially start your cohort batch on coming Tuesday. We have a orientation call on Tuesday. Come and join in. Pay the first EMI and see the crazy amount of knowledge and the crazy amount of value this masterclass has for you. Now let me know in the chat box if you have any queries. I'm a school teacher. Will it help me? You have seen it. Professor teachers are already part of masterclass. If you're a freelancer, definitely go for it. Chalo, perfect. Chalo, that's great. Is this student? Is this a degree for student? No. This is for everyone. Working professional for student as well. Okay. I'm taking some queries. I'm closing the Zoom chat. Chalo. I want to pay, but I have few doubts. Srikanth Acharya, definitely, sir. I've already paid. I want invoice. You will get a GST invoice. Don't worry on Tuesday itself. Please allow me to make payment tomorrow, Krishna. It depends on seats. Parva Ghark has made the payment. Amrita has made the payment. I'm in UK. Will this course help here? Yes, Hemal Solanki, definitely. Hemal Soni, sorry. I'm a first year college student. Ria, college student going people definitely go for this because you will have so much amount of knowledge before even going into the job profession because all job examples are already covered. Chalo, what is the class timings? Pankaj, there is no class timing. This is a course which you can access at any point of time in your life. Any point of time. And if you want live classes, that will be happening post working hours. Uska bhi recording milega. So you're not going to miss it. Praveen has made the payment. Is it only for working professionals? Anushka, Raj, no. Is it course both for FY degree, final year degree students? Definitely, Hitika. As a student, I can afford that event in the money. I require some discount. Chaitanya, this is the best discount I can provide you. Hi, I've paid. That's great. If you have any queries regarding the masterclass, feel free to ask me in the Zoom chat. I'm happy to address them. Okay? Rajkumar Rajan, hi. Sudeep has paid the payment. Swapnali has made the payment. Can you show Supercharge Excel now? Yes, I can. Swam has made the payment. What if I want to pay later? Shrikanta, if the seats are available, definitely you can. Hadik, will it cover CV using AI? Yes. Chalo. Now I'm just going to close the Zoom chat. I'm going to will it help in banking professional? Pooja Pujare, I've shown you. One person ka testimonial is from multinational bank. Was working in multinational bank. Chalo. Perfect. I want BI and AI. Where can I get? Kritikesh, it's a part of the program, no individual courses. I want to build my career in data analysis. Can it help me? Varsha, just Google it. What skills are required to become a data analyst? And then see on your screen. You will get your answer yourself, Varsha Rajput. Okay? Will you teach me IICS? What do you mean by that? Will it help in CV building? Rupesh, yes. How to use Copilot and Power BI? D'Souza, I've shown you. You can right click, analyze, decrease the explain. Okay? Sham has paid. That's great. Perfect. I got all the queries, done payment. All the people have done the payment. Congratulations. And I've got an update which I want to copy paste and write in Zoom chat. 7 seats left. My team has said 7 seats left. That means in 30, 23 are gone. All the people have said confirmation. This is your confirmation. Your payment has been received. I'm opening the chat again. If you have any queries, let me know. Nitin has paid. Pushpita Roy has paid. Chalo. Are these tools only accessible in India? No, it's accessible across the world. And the website is also accessible across the world. I'm just going to close the Zoom chat. Oh my God, many queries. Zoom user confirmation, please. Yes, I've passed 12th now. Is this for me? Yes, definitely. Uh, Janvi, I've shown you that one click Supercharge Excel workshop के बाद. By the way, one update: workshop participants, you also get Supercharge Excel with a 30-day free trial without paying a single rupee extra. All the workshop participants in just 99 rupees. You get all the learnings, you get all the notes, you get all the practice material, you get my software access for 30 days. Plus, certificates and bonuses will be revealed in the next 10 minutes because now only 7 seats are left. Once 7 seats are gone, certificates and bonuses will be provided to everyone. Can you help? Can it help me in real estate? Something Jadhav, definitely. Chalo, that's great. I've okay. I got. I think above. Okay, I've already answered this question. Chalo. Anushka Raj, take it. Take your time. Nargish Diman, ठीक है. Chalo, that's great. How my queries will be resolved, Pallavi? We will be having community calls every single week where you can interact with me on a one-on-one basis. Amrita, this tool is accessible across India. I've answered that. Chalo, that's great. I'm opening the Zoom chat. If you have any questions, let me know in the Zoom chat. Will Power Automate with Power Charge will work in my company's laptop, controlled laptop? Yes, Nitish Kumar. Okay. Perfect. I'm just closing the Zoom chat. I've got many queries. Guys, be specific with your queries so I can help you accordingly. Surya Prakash, Power BI course price, individual courses are not available. Abhishek Kumar, we have got your payment. Chalo. What can be added to our CV after today's class? Data analysis using AI. I'm a final year student. Within 3 months, I will be graduating. So, can I get a good job? Lakshmi, Janvi, definitely. Can GST be excluded? Pallavi, GST doesn't come in my company, it goes to the government. So, it's not in my hand. I paid with no cost EMI. That's great. Completion time of this course, Pushpita Roy, you get lifetime access without any deadlines. So don't have any deadline to complete the course, but I will show you the roadmap to complete the course within 3 months. I'm into L&D. I hope it will help. I have paid Mansi definitely. I will show you the roadmap on Tuesday. Wait for it. After 30, how it will charge. Kim Nendu, I will not, like, after 30 I'm not going to charge you 1 lakh rupees. That will be unfair to you. After 30 we don't take payments only, so if the link is working you can go for it. Praveen, I've answered your question already. ठीक है. Pratiksha has paid. Chalo, perfect. Akash Juneja, go for it. Come on Tuesday and see it for yourself. All those things are not true. ठीक है. uh, Perfect. I'm a 2019 BA pass out. Can I get a fresher data analyst job now with this? Sarita, same answer to you, just like Varsha. Search on Google what all skills are required to become a data analyst. You will see the answer on your screen. It's a simple Google search away. Perfect. Confirmation, please. Yes, your payment is confirmed. Pallavi, sorry. Okay. Two Pallavis are there. Now opening the chat. If you have any questions about the masterclass, let me know in the Zoom chat. Can I pay in dollars? Yes, you can make the payment via international credit card. Deepti. Now I will just Kashish Betal. Okay, I've got many questions again. I will just close the Zoom chat, guys. All the people, do not please write confirmation. Please confirm. Your payment is coming to me only. I'm helping other people to solve their queries. You said we will get Supercharge Excel and many templates for free in today's session. Utkarsh Singh, yes, I'm saying again. I'm sharing the bonuses and Supercharge Excel after 30. After 10 seats are gone. Okay? I'm a first year engineering student. Will data analyst be in demand till I graduate? Search top 10 skills to learn in 2024. You will get within top 5 skills, will get the skill of data analysis. Urvashi Sharma, definitely yes. Sujit Joseph, please confirm my payment. Okay, payment done. Suman done. Thank you. If you have any options, only Excel, PowerPoint, and prompt engineering. Abhit Sinha Roy, sorry. We want to maintain the success ratio of this masterclass. So we cannot sell individual courses, we sell the package only. A ChatGPT prompt bundle included. And this question by Seetal Salvi. Here it is. Your next surprise prompt ChatGPT prompt bundle is included. Yes, worth 8,500. This is specifically designed to automate your job work for management, operation, finance, accounting, sales, marketing, human resource, and data analysis work. And this will be done for you. Abhijit Das, you will be connecting with me on Tuesday. Don't worry. Chalo. ठीक है, आई एम ऑलरेडी पार्ट ऑफ स्किल नेशन मास्टर क्लास दिव्याम भट्ट अंडर जतन सर. Can you request me him to add some things that you provide like Python, business analysis, ChatGPT, and prompt engineering? Divyam, but this is altogether a different package with lifetime access to mentorship sessions as well. Where can I get the access? Rajkumar Rajan within 60 minutes on your WhatsApp number. How can I reach out post payment? Do we have a customer call reach? Jyoti Ashok, yes. If for your cohort batch, a dedicated person will be assigned to pick up your calls and WhatsApp support. That will be happening on Tuesday. Just एक दिन रुकना है. I've answered all your queries. If you have any queries, let me know in the Zoom chat. Before, okay, guys, last 5 minutes left. By the way, for anyone who's trying to make the payment. Okay, will I get today's material for free? Yes, yes. You don't have to pay for masterclass. Okay, I've got many queries, many queries. I'm taking one queries at a time. Trupti, Gururaj Shetty, thank you. I did a business analytics course looking for a job. Can I enroll to this? Yes, Poonam. The problem here is many people tell that they provide job, but they don't have any proof. We do have proof at Skill Nation. I've shown you all the screenshot. I've shown you all the testimonials. And that is where the job you're going to get is for sure with all the skills in the masterclass. I was not able to purchase this masterclass. Will there be any more workshop? Akil Chaudhary, workshop will be there, but the availability of cohort batch is something which I cannot commit. I completed BCom in 2012. Since then, I've been working in sales and marketing in various companies. How this course can help me to grow? Subhajit Chaudhary, I've already shown your sales manager ka interview. AI skills are. So I will just tell you from sales point of view. Sales mein kya hota hai? This is closing happening, right? You have to nurture the leads, all of that. So this all the process have been 10x time improved via AI strategies, which you can learn and implement in your company, and you can improve your. Let's say you have a team leader, for example, you have a team under you, and those people are not growing, they are not achieving the targets. You can purchase this masterclass for them. They make them understand the importance of AI, so they can achieve the targets, and you get your incentive on the basis of their achievements. So this is how you need to think. I'm feeling 100% sure about what you have proposed, but at times, Rakesh Kumar bhai, what I can do? Go for it. I'm telling you, I'm giving you the EMI option as well. Will it help for business analysts? Definitely, Nutan Singh. I'm a first year engineering student. Will data analyst be demand till I graduate? Shikhar Lokai. The answer is yes. Chalo, you said you will get Superchat Excel and main templates. I'm saying again and again, I will give you. Don't worry. Okay, I'm opening the chat again. If you have any queries, let me know in the Zoom chat. I'm happy to address with your names. Okay. Is this full Tableau course, Shreya? If you don't find it basic to advanced, I'm telling you, I will give you your money back. This is a full advanced course. Okay, I'm closing the Zoom chat. Is masterclass is available in Hindi? Ayush Chandu, sorry, it's not available in Hindi. Will I have access to AI and MS Office for lifetime? D'Souza, yes. Classes will be held in Hindi or English language. English language. Shazia. Uh, Anupreet Chaudhary reference. What do you mean by that? What time the Tuesday call will be? Rajkumar Rajan. It will be happening on Tuesday 8 p.m. post working hours. So if you can make it live, then it's good. If you don't attend it, we'll share you the recordings. Aishman has paid it. Thank you so much. Now, guys, only 6 seats left. How to add family members in course? Sudeep will do it on Tuesday. Perfect. Kushal Vital, I cannot help you. Yaar. What else I can do? Is this course for stock traders? No. Stock traders, if you are looking to integrate Power BI and Excel in your stock trading, then yes, or else no. So whether Excel is included in this fee, Praveen, yes, no additional fees for the software. Uh, I'm 53 and I was a teacher. Just a sec, I missed on that query. Just a sec. Will be any chance? Will it be just a sec? Will it be my any chance if I get if I join? Shikal Acharya, what like do you want a new job offer or what's the case? If you are not talking about new job offer, then yes, that's possible. What to do if I pay and join later? Rohan, no problem. Like you have lifetime access. You want to start after 15 days, you can definitely. It's your call. Now, Anjali Chauhan is saying my Anjali Marcel Strategics, provider data and business analysis. I'm going to gain hands-on experience in the fall wondering of internship opportunity. If could please provide some info how to contact for further details. Anjali, I will show you. Wait, I will give you a solution. Do not worry. Chalo, that's great. Almost everyone has done it. Punam Vyas, no worries about that. I'm telling you, do not have to worry about that. Now, guys, before we come to certificates, before we come to bonuses, all amazing 26 people. Now, 4 seats on the left. All you 26 amazing people who have done the payment. I have a question for those 26 people. Tell me honestly, guys, tell me genuinely. Do you struggle with your personal finances? Do you struggle to make some additional passive income? Are you aware of all those personal finance hacks? Is that a yes or no? 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 Personal finance help? Guys, this is the beginning of our journey. Let me announce a gift for you. One event which only happened today. I want to share that event with you in the month of August. Hardik, what you are talking about? This is an event for all the people who are going to go for the masterclass. By the way, right now the count is 26. Four seats are left. If you are looking for the link, here is the link. Here is your chance, last chance. A 3-day financial accelerator bootcamp, which will help you to learn stock trading along with your job and manage your personal finance effectively. And these are not from some random people. These are from portfolio managers who are managing 400, 500 crore ka portfolio for high individual net worths. They're going to share all this personal finance hacks as well, which personal finance is a taboo topic in India. People with their family do not discuss about wealth creation. People with their friends do not discuss about which is the right mutual fund to invest in, which are the best insurance health policy for your family members, mother, father, and everyone. All of this in a 3-day event. Hardik, what is the venue? Your favorite place, your couch. Yes, you can attend it via Zoom call, virtual event. What is the price for it, Hardik? Absolutely free of cost. And this is the last surprise from my side without adding the price to it. Can you see this? All of them are added for free of cost without increasing the price. This is the entire value to the masterclass 3 lakh rupees. The price is not even, I would say, 5%. The price is just 5% of it. The most amazing value for money deal that you can ever get. This is your last chance. Now we are about to move to bonuses and certificates. I'm going to open the portal for bonuses and certificates. Those people are waiting. So now I'm going to open that portal. Just give me a second. Where is the portal? All the people waiting for bonuses and certificate. Here we go. Chalo, let's do this. Where is my certificate? Where is my bonuses? It's not opening. Give me a second, guys. Okay, I think it's ready now. Now, guys, before I move to bonuses and certificate, I want to tell, is there anyone who's still trying to make the payment? Because you don't have much time left. We are moving to certificates and bonuses. Bhattacharya is there. I'm trying, done with payment here. Chalo, I'm traveling, but I'm traveling on Tuesday. Neat recording will give it to you. Don't worry. Okay? I've done the first installment. Okay, chalo. Now, guys, before I move to bonuses and certificate, I would ask last question. Is there someone who wants to have some sort of call queries? Do you want some sort of call connection before making the payment? Is there someone like that? Who wants to get some clarity for your career, for your business, for your job, for your title, whatever the thing is on a call? Chalo. Now I'm going to close the Zoom chat. I can someone talk to my father. Yes, definitely we can help you. No worries. There are many students. I can share the testimonial of Shlok Mistry with your father. So what I can do is, guys, best case scenario, I can give you a form link. Swati from my team will call you. She is a very experienced professional. She can help you to guide your career as well. So I'm sharing the link with everyone in the Zoom chat. Guys, the link is very simple. Click on the link, a form will get open. This is a masterclass query form. Fill your name, put your contact details on which we can call, and put your email address as well. And in the query, simply write, want to enroll for masterclass, need some clarification on call. Simple English, or write, need a call support for masterclass, something like this. And Swati from my team, it will take 30 minutes. She will call within 30 minutes to you and solve your query on a call. But one humble request, the people who are paid, please do not make form fill. We are already going to get we are already going to connect on Tuesday, and that call duration is 1 hour. We are going to spend 1 hour on that call just to understand the masterclass, just to understand the way forward, just to understand the roadmap, just to understand which course to cover first in order to achieve success in your career. So that's an important call on Tuesday. If you do miss on it, no worries. I will share the recording, but it's an humble request. Try to come live. You will have a different experience because the whole cohort batch will be there. This is a form for anyone who's confused, who needs some clarity. Let's say you are a student, you need to convince your parents. Fill out this form, my team will contact you. They will discuss with your parents. If it makes sense to them, they can make the payment, or else no problem. Okay? This is a form for you. Now let's get started with bonuses and certificate. And now, guys, you're going to be going blown away by the bonuses, because first of all, the roadmap. So the roadmap going forward is, today is the workshop. In next 2 hours, everyone gets bonuses on the WhatsApp group. Okay, in just 2 hours. Monday, today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday. I know you are a busy guy, busy person. Please, 2 minutes निकालना. Just 2 minutes लगेगा to fill the form. Please fill out the form in 2 minutes. Hardik, why if the form is necessary? Do it's mandatory? Yes. In order to get your certificate, filling the form is mandatory. Why, Hardik? Because, guys, in the form, you will give me your full name, you will give me your email address, and you will give me your phone number. These three details you will give me, and on the basis of your name, for example, someone called as Santoshi, Kruti, Anamika, Siddhartha, Avdit, all these people, I know your full name. But what name you want on certificate, we don't know. So fill out that form. Monday night. On Monday night, we on our behalf will print the certificate soft copy, and on Tuesday morning we'll send it on the WhatsApp group and email that you have given to us. Is this process clear? Now after this, I'm going to show you demonstration of bonuses. Is this process clear? If someone is confused, take a screenshot, please. Okay? Is it crystal clear? Yes? Clear? Yes? Clear? Yes, yes, yes. Chalo. I'm going to close the Zoom chat. Now let's go to the bonuses. I'm not in the WhatsApp group. Georgie Joshab, as I said, if you are not in the WhatsApp group, you will be getting a certificate on email as well. Can't access the form. Sudeepa Bala Madhav. Here is the form again. Try to copy paste something like that. Try to do it and paste it on Google. It will open. Now, Artik, what are the bonuses? Now, want more exclusive bonuses, guys? These are the bonuses: Excel shortcut ebook, 10,000 plus icon sets, and MS Excel ebook, plus two more bonuses, which I'm going to share it in the WhatsApp group. Now, these bonuses are on this link. Now, again, guys, you can take out your mobile phones, or if you're from mobile phone, take a screenshot. But don't worry, I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to show you. See this. I'll copy this link, Control C. I will open this, and guys, I will paste it. Now, guys, see the quality of bonuses which we have prepared for you. Now this is PowerPoint ebook. Now guys, see the quality of ebook. A proper ebook for Windows and Mac users, and both of them have keyboard ka screenshots, pictures of keyboard, so it will help your memory to remember them. Just like that, we have Excel ebook. We have icon sets and we have PPT templates, and the PPT templates are so mind blowing, guys. See this. I'm going to show you 200 plus PPT templates for free of cost. You can go to agenda template, PowerPoint template, right click, download. And guys, it will take like 5 seconds to download. You have lifetime access to workshop bonuses. This is how it will get downloaded. And see this. Open that. Once you open that, it will be a editable PPT file. But Hardik, can I use it in my company? Yes. Hardik, is it editable? See this. Hardik, let's say this is something, it's not my company brand colors. Can we change the company brand colors as per my company? See this. Let's say your company brand colors are green, shades of green. Change it to green. If your company has some red colors in it, add red color. Orange color add kar do. Jo add karna hai kar do. See this. Like this. Last color is yellow, but yellow is not visible. I will purple. See this. Beautiful template ready. This link will be provided to WhatsApp and email. And if you want to write down manually, here is the link. I've written it in the Zoom chat. Write it manually somewhere and your job is sorted. इतने learning के बाद, you are getting certificate also, you are getting bonus also. Is it a value for money deal for you? Let me know in the Zoom chat. Is it a value for money deal for everyone? Yeah, no doubt. It's an amazing deal. Worth it. Definitely. Guys, is this PPT going to help you in your job? Yes? Now, I'm going to close the Zoom chat. And guys, last thing which I'm going to do, which will help your everyone, which is like going to have a big surprise for everyone. Everyone will be super happy with that. Now let me open that as well. This is the last thing which I'm doing, by the way, and this is only for people who are live on this call. Anyone who is going to leave this call, sorry to say, you're going to miss out on a most premium thing ever. Now guys, I'm sharing the last thing. Just a sec. Where is the last thing? कहाँ गया? एक मिनट. Okay. Now, guys, before I share the last thing, one update which I forgot to share. Some people have paid 300 rupees extra. Hardik, why they have paid 300 extra? You have seen those 200 templates? Like this, these people have purchased 10,000 PowerPoint templates from me. Okay. But here is a surprise. I have added 2,000 more. So now these people have 12,000 templates. 12,000 templates. And now they are going to they are going to get it 11 p.m. And if you're wondering, Hardik, why you added 2,000? I've mentioned the reason also. See this. I've added 2,000 more because you have been so awesome so far. And now I know many people are going to tell me, Hardik, ये offer मेरे को मिला नहीं. I didn't get this offer. Hardik, I want to purchase 12,000 template at just 300 rupees. It's super easy, super cheap. Sorry, it's gone. It was one time offer at the start of the workshop, like when you were registering. Now it's gone. Sorry to say, you won't get the offer again. Now, last but not the least. Thank you guys for attending this. I'm giving you the last valuable thing which I can ever give to anyone. Guys, how many people would write happy in the Zoom chat if I provide you recording of this webinar? Are you happy now? Is everyone happy? Did you like this surprise? That you attended the entire thing and then I told you that a recording will be given. Initially, I would have told you, you would have left. Is that a yes or no? Yes? Happy? Absolutely. I think I want to stay in touch with you. I'm not going for the masterclass. So foxy. Super happy. Chalo, that's great. सर प्रो वर्जन पेमेंट के बाद मिलेगा यस ठीक है cannot access the form will fill it in the end of the day. Okay guys, let me do one thing. I'm closing the Zoom chat. Okay, I'm doing one thing now guys. What's the time? Officially 10 p.m. We are going to officially end this webinar. only people only people on this call will stay who want to have interaction with me. जिसको मेरे से बात नहीं करनी है दे कैन लीव दिस कॉल टाटा बाय बाय नो प्रॉब्लम नो इश्यूज recording wala one commitment will take one day. Tomorrow end of the day it will be done, so please do not like disturb my support team members. Recording nahi mila. It's a surprise I'm doing because this batch is awesome. Just for you guys I'm doing this. I don't do it in my previous batches. You might ask other participants who might have attended. So I have a previous batch ka recording. I will share it with you. It's a month of May ka recording hai. I will share it with you, no worries. Last thing which we are going to do today is Q&A. So all the people who have a chat with me, they have some masterclass query. They are like, Hardik, I don't want guidance from sales team. I want you to guide me. Please be specific with your queries. I will take 10-15 queries and this Q&A session will only happen for next 15 minutes. After that, I don't have energy. I'm almost talking for 3 hours. I will be going away. Okay. So I just have 15 minutes. Any queries, any doubts, any personal doubts, any sort of clarity you want in your life, anything you want me to guide, any problem you are facing right now in your job, whatever that is, please share with me. I'm happy to help. The sequence will be same, 15 queries at a time. And if you're someone who thinks that Hardik, I don't have any query, I do recommend stay on this call. कुछ नया ही सीखोगे life में. But still, if you want to go somewhere, if you want to go out, Sunday night है, तो टाटा बाय बाय. What we can say? Good night, Shubh Ratri. Okay? I'm opening the chat. Be ready with your queries. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chalo, shoot me your queries. Perfect. Chalo. Ando. Okay, I'm closing the chat. Taking one by one. Looking for a second income source post this. Abhishek Kumar definitely will help you. No worries. यू आर वेयर अबाउट टू शो सुपरचार्ज एक्सेल. सुपरचार्ज एक्सेल में क्या शो करूँ वो आपको मिल जाएगा 30-day ट्रायल, सो डोंट वरी. Power BI and PPT, can you please explain? I don't recommend asking workshop doubts because I'm sharing the recordings now, right? So step by step you can learn it. Then what's Ruxana, ठीक है? Raja Lakshmi, Will I get help in finding complete remote jobs? Raja Lakshmi, yes. I'm struggling to get a job. George, I've shown you one hack. Use that now. Definitely you will get a job. Is Cloud AI limited to use? Free version limited to use, but per day basis pe you can easily get it. No need to buy the premium version. Dick Cruz, Vinci Dick Cruz. Looks too much content to digest. Rajesh Kumar, that's the reason I'm giving you lifetime access. So you can go step by step, aram se. But those things are necessary. Will I get will when will I get access to portal Sham Poker? We are going to get it on Tuesday together. I will show you how to use it. Uh, Jackson, when is the next meeting, sir? I don't know, yaar, my schedule. I need to check it. I'm a non-IT. I'm also non-IT, bhai. Chill. I was pursuing chartered accountancy. This is all easy. It's just that someone needs make want like someone should be there to make you explain in a better way. Can you extend EMI to 3 months? Viraj Parmar, yaar, very difficult. Fill out the form and talk to Swati. I see some certificates will be available after July if I want if I have wanted after I have done the class. Malaika, I think there is some miscommunication. The moment you complete the class, you get the certificate. Do you provide job assistance? Madula, yes. Where can I get the access details? Rajkumar Rajan, सिर्फ एक दिन कल आराम करो. Tuesday को meeting. I will show you everything. Chill, relax. I don't see form for filling names. Raju, filling names. I don't require your name. Just write your query and phone number. My team will call you. Can I get any discount? Please on the Facebook fresher. Uh, Ashwini Bhagwat, fill out the form. ठीक है चलो अमित बोस currently working in BPO sector ठीक है non IT background ठीक है can I shift to data analytics domain ठीक है my age is 19 I want to and says it 12 years till 2020 then shifted to BPO अमित easily भाई with सब देखो क्या होता है ना I will show you I will make you understand something ध्यान से समझो सब लोग what happens let's say एक data analyst का job है let's say as a fresher getting somewhere around 6 to 8 LPA what happens now when you will read that job now ध्यान से you will understand there is something called a job description जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ब्ला 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 ठीक है फ्रेशर के लिए एक्सपीरियंस नॉट रिक्वायर्ड ठीक है देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड वो सिर्फ आप पढ़ोगे ना तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट विल टेल यू टू लर्न पावर बी आई इट विल टेल यू टू हैव अ गुड एक्सेल नॉलेज इट विल हैव यू टू टेल गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ऑल दिस एंड इट्स देयर इन द पैकेज इट्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इफ यू वांट टू सी द पैकेज अगेन सी दिस तो वो बहुत सिंपल है क्रैक करना उसके बाद आई एम हेल्पिंग यू विद इंटरव्यूज आई एम हेल्पिंग विद कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स सो श्योर जॉब तो मिलेगा ही दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम ठीक है हाउ टू स्विच कंपनी दैट इज समथिंग वी कवर इन लाइव सेशंस ठीक है शिवानी yes you can pay now there are 4 seats still left BA or DA Prashant what do you mean by that Mohit is asking again अरे यार मोहित का मैं क्वेरी भूल गया can we create a TWBX tableau workshop using any AI if yes Mohit Mittal I'm not aware of that I win if I don't like the course I win yes what if I use AI does everything? Do we get paid enough in future? Shin Ramaka, we use AI to get better salaries. I want form on WhatsApp group, can't access here. Shrikant Acharya will share it, no worries. ठीक है Subhajat Excel is paid after some time. Jatin Lal, no, masterclass के लिए it's free for lifetime. If you press also it's not opening. Janvi, अरे यार ठीक है चलो राकेश कुमार has made the payment. Hardik sir be the same. Rohit Rawat be the same मतलब I joined by 7 sharp. Guys, please write your query in one single message. Chalo, perfect. Cannot access the form. Can it fill it by EOD? Yes, you can fill it by EOD. I will try. Tell my team to share it in the Zoom chat. ठीक है फॉर्म एक्सेस नहीं कर पा रहे हो मैं शेयर करवा दूंगा सर प्रो वर्जन पेमेंट के बाद मिलेगा हाँ आई थिंक एवरीवन हैज आंसर आई हैव आंसर्ड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी क्वेरी सर एक्सेस टू एआई टूल प्रियंशा ये वर्कशॉप के बाद बोला ना आपको मिल जाएगा आई एम ओपनिंग द जूम चैट लेट मी नो इन द जूम चैट जैक्सन हैज क्वेश्चन मार्क क्या क्वेश्चन मार्क चलो आई एम क्लोजिंग द चैट बॉक्स अगेन what Rohan is there I want to join later when you will take next batch Rohan fill out the form inform my team as per the schedule will give you a notification is this skill nation का number 6202 मेरे को ऐसा याद तो नहीं कृष्णा but what's the problem I have done data science but still not able to find the job in the field I'm in BPS but I think with this masterclass I will get but still need your assistance Heyman bhai chill I will be there don't worry how do I update my Excel? Shraddha, go to office.com. There is where you can purchase the latest version of Excel. Sudiba. Sudiba, you can always reach out to me at support@hardiraja.com if you think you are not going to get the bonuses. Don't worry, ठीक है? Varsha, okay. Mm, mm. Varsha, that is something those people can only help you. Or else, the best thing is you can have a word with the CEO of that startup, and that CEO को बोलो कि you just have to sign the document. I will prepare the letterhead. I will prepare all the experience letter, increment, salary slips. वो सब template Google पे मिल जाता है. So that's not a hard work for you. Just prepare that, replace it with your name, amount, salary, experience, and just tell him to sign. He won't deny that. I'm pretty much sure. Ritu is saying, is it possible to sync Power BI with an Excel file? Means I've created a dashboard of 5 years data. Now I want new records are hidden. हाँ वो हो सकता है रितु शाह, ये देखो इसमें होता है, एक मिनट में बताता हूँ आपको. Let's say you are on this platform, Power BI online platform. There is something called a export analyze in Excel. So this dashboard will go in Excel directly, like as it is, and Power BI and Excel will be connected. Ritu Shah. Paid amount, will I get extra 2000 templates? Sayed, yes. I am doing US CMA. Which kind skill is needed for it? And good night, bhai. Eh? Cost management accountancy, wo. Srikant Acharya. Yes, I told you na. Join the subscription. By the way, it's not subscription. It's just one time fee. Praveen, Superchat Excel only trial available in this fee. Which fee? The masterclass fee, lifetime access, workshop fee, trial. I'm zero in data analytics. Can it be fruitful for me? Rachit Baba, don't worry, Baba. It's fruitful. I'm asking for the Skill Nation classes, not for this class. It shows you can download the certificate in July. मलाई का तो कुछ एरर है. राइट टू सपोर्ट एट द रेट hardikraja.com. टेक्निकल ग्लिच रहेगा. दैट विल बी डन. नो वरीज. ठीक है. आई हैव आंसर्ड ऑल द क्वेरीज ऑलमोस्ट. हाँ. I'm opening the chat box again. There's only 6 minutes remaining now. I'm closing the chat. Perfect. Chalo, I'm taking queries one by one. Our people are not putting queries in one go. ठीक है. Uh, Superchat Excel only trial available in 12,200 free. Pavin 12,200 free lifetime access. Superchat Excel. ठीक है. Praveen. Vikas. Okay. I've spent 41. I'm 41. Spent 19 years. I've spent 19 years in sales. 11 years is BFSI, Banking Finance Service, no? And 8 years in real estate. If I start fresh in data analytics, will it be considered? Definitely. Definitely it will be considered. So, like, how do I put this? Like, how do I explain you? Because कैसा होता है ना, let's say you have spent 11 years in sales. So when you're becoming a data analyst, so ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि you are going to do some out of the job. You can be a data analyst in a sales company, which is like a very big sales consultancy. With the data analytics skill, you can help them to grow the sales number to achieve their target. That is what I'm trying to explain you. Consider it as a skill. Don't take it as a new job profile कि मेरे को डेटा एनालिस्ट ही बनना पड़ेगा, मैं सेल्स मार्केटिंग में हूँ. तो नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. There are many marketing professionals in my community. There are many sales professionals who are in their job only, but they have adapted data analytics as a skill to grow in their career. So don't take it as a new job opportunity. You can incorporate it in your job role as well. uh, Anything else? आई थिंक कहाँ जा रहा था मैं, ऊपर जा रहा था या नीचे? नीचे जा रहा था. एक मिनट. माई मेन रोल इज टू प्लान कैंपेन एंड वर्क मेजरली इन प्रेजेंटेशन. ठीक है. पूजा सिंह. व्हाट एल्स? विल यू बी टीचिंग हाउ टू यूज Copilot as a built-in function on Power BI? Yes, D'Souza, it's covered in the Power BI course that I have. Experience fine and did to participate. I was tried myself but failed. Need to switch where, Shreya? In which domain? I'm a full-time stock trader. I paid different place. Kabir. Kabir, yes, will do it. But I do recommend Kabir 3 day event karna attend. It's very very useful for you as a stock trader. सर मैंने कॉलेज में बैचलर इन आर्ट्स. स्टिल इट विल गिव द सेम पैकेज. रोहित रावत, ट्रस्ट मी यार, इन टुडेस टाइम इतना मैटर नहीं करता है कि तुम आर्ट्स से हो, साइंस से हो या कॉमर्स से हो. मैं कॉमर्स से हूँ, लगता हूँ मैं कॉमर्स से हूँ. इट डज नॉट मैटर. दिस स्टिल फीचर कैन आई यूज माई ऑफिस लैपटॉप? येस यू कैन. I previously worked at Tata Motors and HDFC Bank, and I'm currently serving as a store manager at Lenskart.com. Over the last 10 years, I've changed 3 to 4 companies, and I'm feeling confused about my career. How to skills may help me further my growth. Subhajit Chaudhary, no worries. Using Copilot in Power BI, asking for organizational email, you can't use it through. Obviously, for Power BI, you need a Microsoft professional account, and again, that is for free. You cannot use your personal Microsoft account. You need a business like professional account, but a free में ही बनता है. Sir, can you share masterclass PPT like all the skills that will be included so I can show it to my parents? You can fill out the form. Swati will share a brochure with you. My boss always asks me to isolate the data. I don't understand what it exactly means. According to what it exactly means. मेरे को भी नहीं समझा. Isolate the data. What do you mean by that? Banking, Silpa Roy, क्या banking? Can you explain again? Ritusha, export analyze data in the online version of Power BI. That is how you can integrate Power BI and Excel. Opening the chat again. I think it's time up, guys. 3 minutes to go, by the way. 3 minutes to go, 3 minutes to go. Closing the chat. I think in the masterclass, in the class masterclass, I was told Microsoft 365 is a shared access. Is the same? Rupai, yes. Any AI tool for blueprint? Priya, help me. Okay, sir. Saw your reviews on LinkedIn. Really happy. Rupesh bhai, thank you. How many PPT templates share? I get it in the fees of 12,200. All the templates, Praveen. Sir, can I add this name on my resume? Definitely. Shraddha, can I get your mail? Shraddha for I'm third year BCA and now start data science ka course. Cannot able to open it. Shurani, what like I'm not getting a question. Uh, अच्छा Sable CRM experience 5 year need to switch in data job possible by your class right myself field श्रेया वही बोल रहा हूँ सी इजी है डेटा मतलब डायरेक्टली स्विच नहीं हो सकती यू नीड टू बिल्ड सम पोर्टफोलियो एक्सपीरियंस रिज्यूमे अकॉर्डिंगली इंटरव्यू भी वैसा क्लियर करना पड़ता है टेक्निकल राउंड क्लियर करने पड़ते हैं और द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल्स होने चाहिए जो है ये सब मास्टर क्लास में श्रेया once you do that you can easily switch your job not a problem. Kavita, my system policy has denied the access to the requested site. कौन सा site? I'm not shy. If you're talking about payment link, try it from your mobile phone. Thank you, I think, for spending such a long time to guide us. Heartily thank you, Bhai Shrikant. Will I have lifetime access to 365? Three softwares. ChatGPT subscription 2 years. Office 365 5 years. और लास्ट है सुपर चार्ज लाइफ टाइम तो सुपर चार्ज लाइफ टाइम है ऑफिस 5 years है और चैट जीपीटी 2 years डिसोजा ठीक है ओके गाइस 2 minutes टू गो नहीं आई थिंक 15 हो गया सो लेट्स कंक्लूड द कॉल बाय बाय इज देयर एनीवन हु इज स्ट्रगलिंग विद मास्टर क्लास लेट मी नो लास्ट आई विल हेल्प यू और एल्स आई विल ड्रॉप ऑफ फ्रॉम द कॉल ठीक है डॉक्टर ज्योति आई एम डॉक्टर एंड इनटू सेल्स हाँ तो डेफिनेटली आई एम अ टीचर विल आई बी एबल टू लर्न अब्दुल यस डेफिनेटली लास्ट राउंड ऑफ क्वेरीज आई एम क्लोजिंग द चैट चलो दैट्स ग्रेट राकेश कुमार ऑल द बेस्ट टू अस डेफिनेटली masterclass is needed. Yes. Can you take special workshop for teachers, especially dealing 5 7 years old? Yeah, I've stopped conducting subjective workshops. I don't have time. Abdul, yes, the answer is yes. Plans to do MSc Economics. What is beneficial? नहीं समझा वो मानवी गुप्ता your question. I'm a business head in a on a corporate. I suggest next workshop should be on weekends. The weekend पे ही है ना workshop, Praveen. Hi, excel.jatanshah.in is the same course. Nasir Asna, that's a different course. वो जतन का मेरा पार्टनर का है मेरा है डिफरेंट है दोनों का. Can I make the payment after 1 hour, please? Okay, we'll keep the link open. No worries. Jyoti, doctor who sales. So, what do you mean by that? Hardik, I'm having 10 years of experience in HR. Having 4 years break to restart my career. I'm scaling up, but there is no interview schedule. Why there is no interview schedule? लाइक एक और चीज होता है आई थिंक यू आर एन एच आर यू माइट बी नोइंग दैट एटीएस करके तो फर्स्ट चेक योर रिज्यूमे इज एटीएस कंप्लाइंट और नॉट ऐसा तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए कि यू आर सेंडिंग रिज्यूमेज एंड योर रिज्यूमेज Like you're not getting a single interview. That's like not a possible thing to have. So work on your resume. And like, I know it might sound unethical, but sometimes you can remove the gap from your resume. Like it does not really matter. Or you can, like, if the gap is that away, you can have that sense of attitude. So I will share one more story. Inner circle का member था, उसके भी career में gap था. But nowadays, like I think after COVID, there are many mature HRs out there who understand कि हाँ भाई जीवन में break हो सकता है. It's not just that if you're a working professional every single year you should be working. Some point of time, some people take career break due to personal reason, financial reason, maternity break. होता है, so that's not a problem. Career break is, to be honest, not a problem until and unless you're still relevant with the relevant skills. If your skills are also irrelevant, then that's a problem. हाउ डू यू हेल्प इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लेसमेंट फॉर फ्रेशर्स आफ्टर परचेसिंग? ममता बताया तो कम्युनिटी है, यू गेट जॉब ऑफर, स्किल्स है जो मास्टर क्लास में सिखा रहे, गाइडेंस है जो मैं देता हूँ, सिंपल प्रोसेस है. विल वी गेट हेल्प इन साइड इनकम? सिद्धार्थ, यस यस यस. आई वुड लाइक टू नो हाउ इट कैन बी यूजफुल फॉर मी टू गेट अ जॉब इन एन आई टी सेक्टर. भाई आईटी सेक्टर का सब जॉब कर लोगे आप. यू नीड टू बी स्पेसिफिक, यू नीड टू हैव गोल्स लाइक आई वांट टू बिकम बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, आई वांट टू बिकम डेटा एनालिस्ट. देन यू अप्लाई फॉर जॉब इंटरव्यूज. देन दैट इज वेर यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट स्किल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू परचेज कोर्सेज टू अपस्किल योरसेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं होता आईटी सेक्टर में जॉब मिल जाए. आईटी सेक्टर तो बहुत बड़ा है, क्या स्किल्स अक्वायर करोगे? इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम कोडिंग टू लाइक आई कैन नेम 10 डिफरेंट स्किल्स, बट यू हैव टू प्लान प्रॉपरली. ठीक है. What is the side income? Give me example. So there is something called as digital products. Now it's a very billion-dollar industry people are not aware of. As a working professional, you can sell digital products. कभी ईबुक खरीदा? ईबुक लोग बेचते. ईबुक इज अ बिगर मार्केट देन कोचिंग. इट्स अ $1 billion मार्केट. ईबुक बनती कैसी है? एक चैट जीपीटी पे प्रॉम्प्ट डालो, ईबुक बन जाएगी. और वो उसको बेचना शुरू कर दो. लेट्स से यू सेल 50 रुपीज का ई बुक, समवन विल पे 50 रुपीज फॉर ई बुक और 20 रुपीज फर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो. Just you sell, let's say 10 people को ebook via ads. That's 200 rupees. 200 rupees and you get a dirt cheap ROI for that, for ebook market. फिर funnel होता है, फिर बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. You can monetize your learning, you can start consultancy. You need to learn something about offers. This is what I created a offer, which we teach our students as well. You can have your services bundled as a offer. So people will buy it from you, just like you bought it from me. So वो सब बहुत सारा चीज होता है. You need to explain many things. Chill करो. Once you're part of the workshop, you will be taught many things. चलो ठीक है guys. I think let's call it for the day. Tata bye bye. Can we get a bye in the Zoom chat? Can I get a bye in the Zoom chat? I will just stop my screen share. Bye 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 bye. चलो टाटा bye bye. Hope everyone achieves success in their life. ठीक है. टाटा bye 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 bye. As someone is writing a big query, I won't be able to read. Everyone is writing bye. I will just go in the Zoom chat. Bye bye. चलो. Closing the chat. Bye. Bye guys.